Y'all, what's up and welcome back to B.T.P reads, aka Sabri Show. And in today's video, this will be another weekly energy read for all my Libra placements for April 25th to May 2nd. I'm gonna go ahead and pull y'all subject card, okay, for this week and get into the reading for all Libra placements. Libra the cheetah, April 25th to May 2nd. All Libra placements, April 25th to May 2nd. Libra placements, Libra the cheetah, April 25th to May 2nd. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Cancer, or you could have Cancer in your charts, okay? This week, I don't know, okay? But I keep getting something here about watching, okay? Or, I don't know, sometimes people, they rather just watch from afar, right, than actually participate or interact. Whether this is like with another person or, right, like even with celebrities, right, they, you know, they do it all the time, right? You know, that's where they have fans and all of that, you know, those words and stuff come in, right? But, you know, a lot of times people idolize them, or they kind of get glamified or starstruck, right, by them, by the celebrity. You know, but they rather kind of like just watch them, right, from afar or something like that, than actually connect with them, you know, and see them and get them as a person. They're a person, just like you, just like me. They are a person, right? They are just a person who chose to utilize their gifts, their talents, okay, in this world. That's it and that's all. But they, nonetheless, they are a person. So I don't know, but for some of you guys that may be significant, but healing is your subject card I pulled. Okay. Now, for some of you guys, this may be you, and it doesn't have to necessarily be a celebrity, okay? But even with this healing card, I mean, I don't know, it could be something around needing to heal, okay? Or needing to spend some time healing or in solitude, okay? So for some of you guys, you know, I don't know, you may not want to really be around people much. Maybe you do want to just kind of sit back or bird watch or something like that, okay, when it comes to the world, or when it comes to being very social or something like that. Maybe you are the one that rather sit back and watch or listen, okay? Or this could be other people. I don't know. Especially if you are talking or teaching around healing or something like that, or therapy. This could be someone else or other people. I don't know, they may rather like just sit back and watch or listen, something. Or this is you, or that's the advice Libra placement. You may need to just sit back and watch to learn or to listen, okay, so you can actually heal or get some type of healing energy that you need. Okay, so Libra placements, Libra the cheetah, April 25th to May 2nd. Libra placements, Libra the cheetah, April 25th to May 2nd. Something too about healing workshops, okay, or healing works, healing does work. All right, or something like that. Or for some of you guys, this may even be something you're doing or you're taking, or like as far as like ingesting, I don't know, okay? That's healing or meant to. Libra placements, April 25th to May 3rd. I'm sorry, May 2nd. For some of you guys, May 3rd may be significant. Okay, I don't know, maybe you're celebrating a Taurus, or their birthday could be on May 3rd, or just something significant you could be doing, practicing, or learning literally on May 3rd as well. But the Sun card did come out, Leo energy. You could have Leo in your chart, Two of Cups. So awareness. That's what I'm saying. Our happiness. Yeah, some of you guys definitely could be healing. This could also be healing around like your connections, your relationships, and your love life. And if this is not with another person, this could just be within yourself. Self-love. Okay? Or it's time to focus on you. Okay? Or this could be a Leo coming in for some of you guys. I don't know. They could be helping you with this. Some type of healing or some type of intimate connection. Intimacy. Okay? Or expressing yourself, expressing your emotions. All right? Relating or being more relatable or something like that. Or relating to others. Okay? But yeah, something here around your expression. Some of you guys could be adapting a new expression or something like that. Or adopting a new, something like that. Or something here around adoption. I mean, some of you guys, maybe you were adopted. So this could just be, you know, a deeper discovery to who you are, right? Or where you come from. Others of you, maybe this could be maybe how you want to heal others or heal children. Some of you guys may be adopting children. Or a child. Libra placements, April 25th to May. Yeah, and here's a page of pentacles. Some of you guys may definitely be adopting children, or that may be good for you or something like that. But, 10 of Cups, yeah. Some of you guys too, this could just be a new way to look in the world, or a new way that you're seeing the world, or you're seeing things, you're seeing relationships, or you're seeing love. Or something here around the way you are loved, or you're being loved. Okay? This could even, some of you guys could even be dealing with family, of course, as well. Or family life. But yeah. Some type of new opportunity here around emotional fulfillment and connections. Okay, as well as your dreams. Some of you guys too, you could just be becoming aware of how to heal yourself, or how to heal certain situations around love, around family, or the emotions. Okay? Or this could be someone else coming in to help you, or something about enlightening or enlightenment. Libra placements, April 25th to May 3rd. I'm sorry, April 25th to May 2nd. I keep saying May 3rd. April 25th to May 2nd. For all Libra placements, Libra the cheetah. Some of you guys too, yeah, I mean, this could be something physical. That's why I said, like, you may have to digest as well, ingest, whatever the word is. Some of you guys could be reading, studying as well, or like watching, looking at something or someone to heal. Okay, or to learn. Or some of you guys may not even realize something you're doing, or you may have to pay attention to it's meant to heal you, or something like that. Or something, or vice versa. Something that you're doing or you're expressing is meant to heal others or someone else. Maybe you didn't know that, okay? Or it doesn't have to be something you're intentionally doing or you're aware of, but this could be the week you become aware. Okay, or you may just become more aware of your actions, or you may just become aware of some type of opportunity or new start, new beginning. This can also be something here being presented to you, Libra placements, okay, that's meant to fulfill you, okay, emotionally or spiritually. This can also be some type of work here as well, or work, literally just working on your dreams, or working on trying to bring some type of dream to life or fantasy, okay? Or it may feel like you're in a fantasy, but something here is real. Or your fantasies are becoming real. for some of you guys. But Five of Wands, or this is what you're paying more attention to, how to make some type of dream or fantasy real. Okay, Five of Wands. Eight of Cups. Yeah, so this could, I mean, for some of you guys, yeah, Two of Cups, you could definitely be, yeah, healing. Queen of Cups. You could definitely be transforming, okay? Well, I can't really see that, but transforming and healing, you know, something here around conflicts, okay? It could have been negativity or you know, jealousy, competition, competitors as well. For others of you, this could just be, you know, conflict within yourself or within your emotions. I mean, it could also be something here around anger, right? And you're learning how to walk away from, or you're needing to, or just dealing with angry people, situations, or people who are all about drama, or just dramatic situations or environments, okay? Or this may be some of you guys, you may be kind of dramatic this week. Yeah, especially with that Leo energy. Or something here dealing with drama, okay? It's giving like drama queen, king, okay? Some of you guys, maybe this could be what you're paying attention to. This may be what heals, brings you a sense of healing in a sense. Maybe you like watching, like, I mean, yeah, especially if you have like Libra, Leo in your chart or something, child. Yeah, I mean, some of you guys, maybe you may like watching drama, okay? Or like dramatic film, dramatic shows or movies. Or this could be people around you, okay? Like energy clashing or personality clashes, all right? Or in the past, okay? Or this could have been some of you guys. I mean, I don't know, maybe your personality or your emotions was clashing with others. And it's time to like walk away or transform, okay? Or just certain things that don't mix, or certain energies, okay? Or aggression. Okay. Just be mindful of that. Okay. The Nurturer popped out, okay? So, yeah, this is like the Empress card. So, Taurus energy could be significant. Or you could have Taurus in your charts here, okay? Some of you guys could be dealing with the mother figure, or women could be significant as well this week, okay? For some of you guys too, you may have, I don't know, there may be something around competition or competitors, okay? It could be healthy competition as well, right? Some of you guys, maybe you play sports, or you, something here about activity, okay? I don't know, you could be doing or participating in some type of activities, okay? Or where you need to be more active, okay? Or this is the week where something becomes activated within you. Or someone could be, you know, activating some type of emotion, I don't know, expression. It could be anger for some of you guys, or it could just something around passion, okay? Or this could be some of you guys, I don't know. You could be activating some type of emotion, aggression, or passion, you know, out of someone else or out of others. Some of you guys may be dealing with multiple people or personalities. Okay, but yeah, nurture yourself, take care of yourself, Libra placements, as well as, you know, this can also be something too around responsibilities, okay, and opportunities manifesting, okay, that's meant to help you grow. Some of you guys too, something around your hair, okay, your hair could be growing or something like that, right? Or you could be more focused on the physical things or your physical attributes this week as well. Some of you guys may face jealousy because of that. I don't know. Maybe it's your beauty or something, or because you're healing your body. Okay, I don't know. So yeah. Or this may be some of you guys. I don't know. Maybe you're jealous, or you're trying to compete with others because they're healing or something, or because of how they look or how something looks. Okay. But if this is around business or money opportunities, okay, you could, for some of you guys, you could face competitors or competition, okay, of course, in that sense. But this also can just be a time to, you know, a change and shift of expression, okay? Shifting the way that you express yourself, or the way you express yourself and share your passion with others or amongst others.